Hey everyone, are we tired of forgetting passwords or typing them in every time we visit a website? Mozilla Firefox has a built-in password manager that can automatically save and fill in our login details. Today, we will show how to enable and use Firefox's automatic password saving feature so we can log in faster and browse more easily. The purpose of automatic password saving in Mozilla Firefox is to make our online experience easier, faster, and more secure. When Firefox saves our passwords, we don't have to remember every login or reuse the same password across different websites. Firefox securely stores our login information and can autofill it whenever we return to a site. This helps us reduce login errors, save time, and encourages better password habits, especially when we use strong and unique passwords. Now, let's go through how to set up automatic password saving in Firefox. First, we open the Firefox browser and go to Settings. We click the three lines in the upper right corner, and then we go to Settings at the lower part and click there. Next, we look for the password settings in the Privacy and Security tabs. Click this one. Here, we can see the password option. We can check this to save passwords automatically or to ask for permission before saving. If we uncheck this option, Firefox will automatically save passwords once we log into our accounts. We can also choose to require a device sign-in to fill and manage passwords, so we don't need to type them in for our accounts or sites we want to log into. There is also an option to use a primary password, which we can learn about by clicking this here. We can also allow Windows single sign-in on Microsoft Windows and school accounts, making it easier for us. It's up to us how we want to manage all these passwords. We can see all our saved passwords here. Click this to view them. We can browse all the accounts here and see the passwords used to log in under each account section. Just click this and then click this to view the password. This way, we can keep track of all the passwords we have saved. Once the feature is enabled, Firefox will prompt us to save our login details whenever we sign in to a website. Just remember to protect our device with a strong password or lock screen to keep our saved passwords secure.